Good morning, guys. Ted Ladzinski, and I got
Wait
Gretchen
one
Philyaw
second.
here.
Wait
We
one
are
second.
happy to be doing our podcast, all that and a bag of chips. And Gretchen, we're going to not only be doing the podcast that we're going to be putting out there once a week, but you're kind of taking this to the next level. You got a lot going on. I'm going to be involved, of course. But tell us a little bit about what you got going on. I know you've been spending a lot of time in Florida. You're looking at some TV shows and some different things. So tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, I have been spending a lot of time in Florida, which wasn't that bad of a thing to do in late November and December. But yeah, we're just seeing a lot of new customers. That area I've been developing, I had not had as many customers in the Florida area, but Space Coast is such an exciting area. There's a lot of companies moving into the area right around Melbourne and Cape Canaveral, like Ariane Supersonic. They're building out huge manufacturing in that area. And of course, there's SpaceX and Blue Origin, and of course, NASA, and a lot of other, companies that make roller coasters. So there's a lot of CNC as well.
Mhm.
But developing the area so we can have a nice presence. We've got some people down there involved with sales, et cetera. So very, very excited about that. And of course, it's right next to Georgia and Alabama, South Carolina, North Carolina, where we do a lot of focus as well as all across the nation. But the TV show is going to be an internet TV show. But what we really wanted to do is get out there and see how it's made and talk to people out there, the fabric of America. So that's developing and really excited about what's going on there.
Right. So, help me out here to educate everybody out there. We're going to be doing some behind the scenes at Motor City. We're going to tell you about who we are, what we do. Obviously, we do manufacturing. We do remanufacturing of primarily CNC spindles for machining centers and turning centers. But we work a little bit on everything that's precision and mechanical. But you're going to be doing that live all over the country. We're going to be doing interviews like this through the computer. We're going to be doing some, ask an expert. I'm going to be involved with some of that. We're going to be involved with other people across the country, but kind of expand on that for everybody so they get a taste and a flavor of what's to come.
Yeah, again, it's great when we do podcasts and we do Zoom meetings, etc., and we talk to people or put it out there on social media and do articles. Like I'm a magazine contributing writer for Innovation in Tech Today, and I try to focus on like women in STEM and talking about the new technologies. But there's something to be said about being able to see it on video and being able to present it in a TV show type format. So what we want to do is just get out there and actually talk to people in the plants, everyone from, the plant manager, the executives, the HR, the marketing, just see what it's about. It's like a little microcosm.
Mm-hmm.
And there's so many pieces to it. And we really we don't promote that and we don't celebrate it, but we really should, because it's the beginning of everything that we do. It's the fabric of America. So we're going to go out and see people at the plant. We're going to talk to people virtually and, reach out to them. And we've got a couple of really interesting ways of doing that I'm excited about. So another new venture that I think with the virtual conferences and everything, it's just the time to do it. So I'm going to be incorporating that into the show. And then of course, ask an expert, which is important too, like talking to people like yourself, so many years of experience, so much information to get out there. And, we're lucky, Ted, because we have built the platform to get information out to people. So it's time to give back, in my opinion. And that's why I'm really excited about it.
Excellent. Well, I'm looking forward to it and can't wait to get it started. Thanks, Gretchen.
Yeah, sounds good. Thanks a bunch. I'm looking forward to it as well.